Today we're going to talk a little bit about our spray detailers. Three in particular that we chose out for you. You got FSC, QS, and QF. Two of the main things to realize about these two detailing sprays are that they are silicone based. So you want to keep that in mind as to when you choose what you're going to use for your final detail. FSC is something that you want to be really careful. It has a high acidic content. So you want to use that on all your paint and your windows. It has a fantastic response on lime scale. So good to remove lime scales, but you're going to use it only on paint and only on glass. The QS are available to use all on exteriors and interiors as well. Obviously you don't want to spray it on the interior, you want to spray it on a microfiber and use it that way, but it is silicone based as well. The only one that is not silicone based and safe for all you guys that have car shops, this is the one to go to, QF. Simple and easy. They're all medium protectants, so you could use this on interiors, exteriors. It's a little bit more forgiving and no silicone on there. Which one to choose while you're doing your particular detail? Something to remember is FSE is high acidic. You do not want to use this on a freshly sealed or even on a ceramic coating at all, as it'll start to deteriorate your ceramic coating. Again, only using this on paint and only using this on windows, no interiors. This is a little bit more forgiving with that aspect on it. Again, you also have the silicone aspect. It's something that's really good for a sealed, waxed, or ceramic car. You would go with the QF. That'd be your final topping as you would finish off your project. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any content. This is KCX USA. Till the next time.